Thank you for visiting Wealthy Coins again. In the next 2 weeks, the price of a Shiba Inu will be this. Dog update. Everyone is talking about Shiba Inu recently since it is the second most popular meme coin in the world. Shiba's made a statement through connecting with several cryptocurrency payment processors and opening a fast food restaurant patterned like Welly's Shib. On top of that, renowned Italian fashion designer John Richmond has unveiled a new line of apparel inspired by Shiba Inus on his official Twitter account. Here with this video, we'll go over the 2 weeks worth of Shiba Inu prices. Dog update. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. Now, let's get the video started. The 62-year-old fashion designer John Richmond is well known among the celebrities. In a recent tweet, John included a picture of the Grimmjow anime character dressed in a street-style t-shirt, jeans, and jacket. The garments bore the Shiba name. John Richmond and Shiba Inu made their relationship announcement in early 2022. John has shown his work in an impressive variety of contexts, from Milan Fashion Week to September of last year when he shared an illustration of his partnership with Shiba Inu to now. Just before the Pity Imagine Omo event in early January, Richmond announced on Twitter that he will be launching a new line of athletic stylish clothing with a ship motif. Nevertheless, the designer has been mum on when exactly the ship-themed apparel line would be released to the public. Promotional alliances such as the one with John Richmond are crucial to the Shiba Inu's financial success. The Shibarium is a 2-layer blockchain that investors are eagerly anticipating. Richmond's Shiba Inu-themed apparel line and Welly's Burger will undoubtedly attract potential cryptocurrency investors. It is expected that the price of SHIB would grow to $0.00018, as the meme coin has already displayed signs of a mini bull run. When this occurs, the whole cryptocurrency market will experience a good rebound. At the moment, $1 is worth 0.000118 SHIB. Meme coin's value has increased by 2.95% over the past day. There has been no massive token burn to account for Shiba Inu's 40% rise so far this year. It is not due to the fact that SHIB has become a popular alternative for purchasing products and services. Not even excitement over the Shibarium Layer 2 protocol's impending release could account for the pleasant return. Instead, there is a single reason why Shiba Inu has been performing well in 2023, and that same reason is driving the price of a lot of other cryptocurrencies as well. Ultimately, investors' willingness to take on greater risk is evident. Investors are becoming less risk-averse due to a number of variables. There has been a noticeable slowdown in inflation. Low unemployment and a generally strong U.S. economy are two indicators of continued economic health. When compared to other leading cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu has done better thus far in 2018. Think about Dogecoin, it's up slightly more than 20%. Even the most prominent digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum aren't quite as popular as Shiba Inu's. However, the primary driver for these digital currencies is still the improving risk outlook. Shibarium, the Shiba Inu community's Layer 2 scalability network, is finally about to open, and everyone is becoming very excited. There has been a lot of talk about when Shibarium's beta will be available has been circulating recently. The current market value of a Shiba Inu is 0.000113 USD, representing a 43% decline. Shiba Inu's performance has been hindered by the meme coin's huge supply and declining burn rate. But Shiba Inu main creator Satoshi Kusama has stated on Discord that the release of Shibarium, a Layer 2 platform, would supposedly burn trillions of SHIB coins. Whale Alert, a cryptocurrency tracking platform, said that the statement coincides with the transfer of several SHIB coins to anonymous crypto addresses. A single transaction involving 3,301,307 Shiba Inu meme coins was been identified by the crypto tracking platform. The price of SHIB increased by 4% on Thursday. Still, it can't keep up the good work. The DOC-themed cryptocurrency is currently selling at a discount to its recent peak of 0.001273 USD when the price of SHIB surged 20% in a single day. There were a number of reports of big SHIB movements and related transactions involving unregistered owners in January. These might also be the internal dealings of exchanges or the redistribution of wealth by whales. The SHIB's burn rate has also dropped significantly. Burn rate plummeted by 100% on Thursday. There was a total of just 238,419 SHIB fires over this time. The community is worried since the SHIB's burn rate has decreased significantly. However, project manager Satoshi Kusama has stated that the end goal is to burn trillions of dollars worth of SHIB coins in conjunction with the launch of Shibarium, the LRT scalability solution. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency has joined the other altcoins that have been riding the crypto market surge since the start of 2023. According to the MVRVZ score indicator, SHIB is currently trading at a discount and might see a further 75% price increase in the next 2 months. The impending release of Shibarium was another key factor in the SHIB price spike. This ecosystem has also been experiencing a lot of growth as of late. Shibarium, a bridge between the Layer 2 platform and Ethereum, was recently hinted to by popular influencer Shib Knight. Furthermore, at launch, Ledger, a provider of crypto hardware wallets, announced support for Shibarium. Stephen Cooper, CEO of Bigger Entertainment, appears to have changed his mind about the Shiba Inu coin. Cooper recently expressed his belief on Twitter that the meme token could be a pyramid scam, because there have been zero tangible results from the SHIB team. Also, according to the CEO, the Shiba Inu initiative is a SHIB coin that promotes dubious spin-offs like Bone. Cooper had already burned tokens in support of SHIB. However, he left the project and removed any references to SHIB from his social media after a disagreement with the developers. Take a look at this screenshot from January 24th. The Shiba Inu CCG game players may expect from the last upgrade, shared by the Shiba Inu community-focused Twitter account, Mazuro at Matchrox. More than a dozen bugs were fixed in Shiba Inu 1.1.6 according to the changelog. These included issues like the game crashing while changing decks and the erroneous working of cards that take opponents. This follows a request for suggestions for enhancements to Shiba Inu made by the SHIB CCG game. After bouncing off the local level, SHIB shows far more durability than the market expected, suggesting that it may be getting ready for a breakout effort. As the likelihood of a massive reversal has been steadily increasing, the market has caused considerable anxiety among owners of the well-known meme token. Midway through January is when we might anticipate the Shibarium launch. In a recent blog post, the Shiba Inu team revealed that the Ethereum chain's Shibarium Layer 2 protocol will soon be available in beta. Speculation spread over the weekend among Shiba Inu owners and breeders that head developer Shitoshi Kusama and SHIB creator Tropheus were feuding. The latest market activity, however, indicates that the struggle is far from finished. It is now obvious that Shiba Inu's last effort at a breakout was a bust. The token failed to attract enough buyers and retraced too much to break over the resistance level. Be sure you've done your homework by consulting with financial advisors before committing to any investment. Perspective on trading. To its credit, not all support for the token dwindled. Before the big FTX crypto exchange collapsed in early November, when its founder Sam Bankman-Fried tried to save his trading firm Alameda Research with the money of FTX users, traders last saw this local high. It has begun to consolidate at the resistance of the trend line. The asset may have cooled off and tried again to break through the resistance level if it hadn't followed a reasonable sideways trend for a while. After bouncing off the 200-day moving average, which could serve as a support level for the popular token, SHIB has gained almost 10% of its value in the last week. The day came to an end with that. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up.